Hi everybody and welcome back. Now in this lecture we're going to look at how to edit and how to delete values in a dictionary. So as you can see, I've started off with some comments and the name of this program, Editing and Deleting Values in a Dictionary. So I've pre-written our dictionary here, which is called terms equals integer. And then as you can see here, the value is not quite correct. We've given our key integer a value is a number that contains a decimal place. But as we know, that is not an integer, that's actually a float. So what we're going to do here now is we are going to edit this. And how do we do that? Well, first let's print this out to make sure it's right. Print terms.get integer. So let's make sure what we have prints out. There we go. It's a number that contains a decimal place. So that's wrong. So what we need to do is just add in another line here. To edit a value in a dictionary, you give the name of the dictionary, which is terms, along with the key in square brackets, and then the new value you want to assign to the key. So we have terms, and we are going to edit our integer key. And what we are going to assign this is the correct definition of an integer, a whole number. Okay, so let's run this now and see what we get. There we go. Our integer key has been overwritten with our new key, a whole number. Okay, so that seems simple enough. What about removing key value pairs from a dictionary? Okay, well let's have a look at how we do that. Let's add in a new key value pair. So comma, and let's add in string. Let's give it its value, a sequence of characters. There we go, perfect. Now, let's print terms. Integer is a number that contains a decimal place. String, a sequence of characters. Okay, let's just remove this line for a moment. And let's see about deleting integer. When we don't want a piece of information that's saved in a dictionary, we can use the delete statement to completely remove the key value pair. To use the delete statement, we need to only supply it with the name of the dictionary and the key we want to remove. So our name of the dictionary is, well, first we give the delete statement. Terms is the name of our dictionary, and we want to remove integer. And now we want to print terms, and hopefully we only get one key value pair here of string and its value. And there we go. Perfect. So I hope this helped to show you how to edit and remove key value pairs from a dictionary. If not, please don't hesitate to ask me a question in the Q&A section. And as always, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.